Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing a wig from Wiggins Hair. This is everything that came in the box. So the type of wig that I have is the Kinky straight U-part wig, and I just love the kinky straight textures. I will keep reviewing these types of hair forever because they're everything and it really looks like my hair. So this is the inside of it. It has the 4 clips on each side of the part, one in the middle, of course the combs on the side and in the back, and then it has the adjustable straps. Y'all, wait till you see this wig on. So this is what my hair looks like now, just a mess, but I am just parting some of my hair out and trying to make it into that U type of shape so that it will lay flatter. And then I'm just gonna do 2 big braids on each side. So you could either, do flat twists or do a low ponytail, whatever you prefer. But because of this hair texture, you won't be able to notice what your hair is like underneath it. So y'all, as soon as I put this on, I am in love. These clips right here that go on each side of the part just make the hair lay so flat. They don't hurt whatsoever, and they're super easy to clip on your hair. Do y'all see the texture on this wig? So this hair is 24 inches long and it's 180% density. So I wanted y'all to see me combing this hair. As you can see, I don't have any tangles whatsoever, but I wanted to just keep combing it to see how much shedding I got. And y'all, I didn't get any. You're going to see in just a second. I'm going to show you the comb. There was like one strand of hair and I was combing this hair for like 5 minutes, it seemed like. So I'm just going to take my hair and put a part in the middle and just place it to where I want it to cover the tracks or where I clipped in the wig. So as you can see, I didn't do anything with my hair and look how it's blending already. It's blending perfectly and I haven't done anything to my natural hair. So in all honesty, I could just wear it like this, literally put this wig on and go. And that's exactly what I love about this wig. But I did decide that I wanted to put some type of curls in it. I didn't want to do wand curls. And I was trying to decide between perm rods and flexi rods, but I decided to go with flexi rods. So I'm just taking medium sections of hair, putting some mousse on the hair, and then just go ahead and doing that wind up motion like a, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm just doing like the corkscrew motion around the flexi rod and then just pinning it together like so. So I didn't sit under the dryer or anything. I probably left this in my hair for about an hour or two. And look at these curls, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous. I really just wanted to go for a big, fluffy, type of look. Like I wanted some curls in there though, so you know, they don't have to be perfect. I just wanted this look and I'm just loving how they came out. I didn't have to sit under the dryer or anything. So this is everything to me. I'm loving the shine, the body on it, and everything. Also, this wig is super light. It's not heavy on my head whatsoever. And y'all, that is basically it. This is what the hair looks like. I hope you like it. If you need something that's, you know, close to your hair texture that looks super natural, I would highly, highly, highly recommend this wig. I will leave all the information down below in the description box about Wiggins Hair Company. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all on the next video.